Hi, are you an investor looking for some amazing return on investments? If so, you should come to Detroit. We have some of the best return on investments. You can purchase your properties very cheap, rehab them at a reasonable price, and rent them at amazing prices. Who am I, you say? I am Asia Denson. I am born and raised in Detroit. I'm a Detroiter at heart. I am the owner of Denson Construction Services and the Detroit Property Shop. I also offer private tours of Detroit, and I will be doing an annual tour as well in the summer of 2019. Welcome to Detroit. Come see it through my eyes.
Hey everybody, this is Erica Williams from the Classy Climb blog. I'm here with Asia Denson of Denson Construction, out here at one of the best GCs in Detroit. We're gonna go do a great tour today of some of the properties and see some of the great city that Detroit has to offer.
This neighborhood we're going through is called Corktown. To the left, that's the train station. That's what Ford Motor Company just purchased for $90 million. They're gonna gut it, rehab it, and they're going to put over $200 million into this community and turn it into a tech hub to train all their new millennial employees. So once they announce that they purchased this building, everything over here sold for either 1.5 or double the asking price, like within a week.
Hey guys, this is a part of Detroit's growing area. So behind us is a building getting built. On the sign right there, you have a model of what it's going to look like inside. This whole area is being remodeled. It used to be a former school. There are things going up left and right. Don't believe what you hear in the news about Detroit. Over here we have a building behind us. You can tell this building is already getting improved. Between the mirrors, between the windows, between the front door, the old architecture, there's a lot of opportunity in this city. Don't sleep, because they're gonna build it up with or without you. This house, street market value off the gate, people are offering her $80,000, $100,000, but now what she knows is she has a neighbor right across the street making a beautiful bed and breakfast. This is part of what you're seeing in Detroit. You see some houses going for auction and some right across the street getting thousands of dollars of renovation. So this is a great buy. When it's completed and done, it's gonna be beautiful. This is one of Asia's properties. We're going through it right now. We just came from the basement. There's plenty upstairs. As you can see, the street we're on, super nice street, a lot of retirees. There's a lot of opportunities to get properties for cheap, but they are gonna need some work. So this is part of what we're showing along with the tour today. So thanks for coming along.
Detroit and window guard system. They are put onto the houses to protect them, so people won't break in and try to squat or steal your materials, tools, and appliances. It can get expensive depending on how long you take to rehab it or rent it out. They either do monthly prices, 3 months, or 6 months, 9 months, 12 months. So it really depends on your rehab. The client here is on, I think he's doing 6 months, because we're starting to rehab next week. He got to get the heat on. It's too cold in here for us to work right now.
Check out Asia's tour here in Detroit. She is absolutely an expert. She was able to share the history of different buildings, businesses, as well as go into individual neighborhoods and really get into what's happening, what's coming, and where you should be looking. So definitely make sure you join Asia's Detroit Real Estate Tour.
The private tour was wonderful, very informative. We got a chance to see Detroit, all of the new developments that are going on, different areas of the city that are being brought up, and we also got a chance to go to see some properties that are coming up that we could buy, and gave us a great outlook overall on the city. We were able to actually see where the city is now, and you can see where it's going.
Asia was able to pull it all together and make all of us feel really comfortable about investing in Detroit, even though we're not from here, because we felt like we got so much knowledge from her, and we were just, we feel like we're like Detroit experts now, right? Just from the informative tour that she was able to give us.